Mega excavators and equipment synthetic.
Excavator loader shovel. Excavator loader shovel.
An excavator loader shovel is a versatile machine designed for digging, lifting, and loading materials efficiently. It combines the capabilities of a loader and an excavator, making it ideal for construction and mining projects.
Excavator crane. Excavator crane.
An excavator crane combines excavation and lifting functions for handling heavy loads. It is used in construction, port operations, and industrial sites.
Airport crash tender. Airport crash tender.
An airport crash tender is a high-performance fire truck used for aircraft emergencies. It features rapid response capabilities, powerful water cannons, and fire suppression systems. Combine harvester. Combine harvester. A combine harvester is a large agricultural machine used to efficiently harvest grain crops such as wheat, corn, and rice. It combines multiple farming operations, including cutting, threshing, and winnowing, into one process. This machine significantly increases productivity and reduces labor costs in modern farming.
Concrete mixer truck. Concrete mixer truck.
A concrete mixer truck transports fresh concrete to construction sites while continuously mixing it. It ensures that the concrete remains workable until it is poured. These trucks are essential for large-scale building and infrastructure projects.
Feller Buncher excavator. Feller Buncher excavator.
A feller buncher is a forestry machine designed to cut and gather trees efficiently. It enhances logging operations by quickly cutting multiple trees and arranging them for further processing. Garbage truck. Garbage truck. A garbage truck is a specialized vehicle used for collecting and transporting waste to disposal sites. It helps maintain urban cleanliness and sanitation. Modern garbage trucks come with automated systems for efficient waste handling. Wheel excavator. Wheel excavator. A wheel excavator is a versatile digging machine mounted on wheels instead of tracks. It is designed for mobility, making it ideal for urban construction and roadwork projects. This excavator can efficiently dig, lift, and move materials in confined spaces. Truck. Truck. A truck is a heavy-duty vehicle designed for transporting goods, materials, and equipment over long distances. Trucks come in various types, including pickup trucks, delivery trucks, and semi-trucks. They are essential for industries such as logistics, construction, and agriculture. Motor grader. Motor grader. A motor grader is a construction machine used for leveling and smoothing road surfaces. It is commonly used in highway construction and maintenance. The machine features an adjustable blade that ensures precise grading.
Long reach excavator. Long reach excavator.
A long-reach excavator features an extended arm for deep excavation and demolition. It is ideal for working in hard-to-reach areas like riverbanks and deep trenches. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. A motorcycle is a two-wheeled motorized vehicle known for its speed, agility, and fuel efficiency. It is widely used for commuting, sports racing, and long-distance touring. Motorcycles come in various types, including cruisers, sport bikes, and off-road models. Police car. Police car. A police car is a law enforcement vehicle equipped with sirens, emergency lights, and communication systems. It is used for patrolling, responding to emergencies, and maintaining public safety. Many police cars are specially modified for high-speed pursuits and tactical operations. Plane. Plane. A plane is an aircraft designed for transporting passengers and cargo over long distances. It plays a crucial role in global travel, allowing for fast and efficient transportation. Modern planes come equipped with advanced avionics, fuel-efficient engines, and spacious cabins.
Fire truck. Fire truck.
A fire truck is an essential emergency vehicle that transports firefighters and firefighting equipment to the scene of an emergency. It carries water hoses, ladders, and specialized rescue tools to combat fires and save lives. Many fire trucks also feature water tanks and powerful pumps for self-sufficient firefighting. Helicopter. Helicopter. A helicopter is a rotary wing aircraft capable of vertical takeoff and landing. It is used for rescue missions, medical emergencies, military operations, and transport. Helicopters can operate in difficult terrains where airplanes cannot land.
Excavator demolition. Excavator demolition.
An excavator demolition machine is designed for tearing down buildings and structures safely. It often features specialized attachments like hydraulic shears and breakers for efficient demolition work.
Excavator saw. Excavator saw.
An excavator saw is a powerful attachment used for cutting through wood, concrete, or metal. It is widely used in forestry, demolition, and construction applications where precision cutting is required.
Excavator loader shovel. Excavator loader shovel.
An excavator loader shovel is a versatile machine designed for digging, lifting, and loading materials efficiently. It combines the capabilities of a loader and an excavator, making it ideal for construction and mining projects.
Container truck. Container truck.
A container truck is a heavy-duty vehicle designed to transport large shipping containers. It plays a key role in global logistics, ensuring goods are efficiently moved between ports, warehouses, and distribution centers. These trucks come in various configurations, including flatbeds and chassis trailers. Bus. Bus. A bus is a large public transport vehicle designed to carry multiple passengers. It is a vital part of urban and rural transportation systems worldwide. Buses come in various types, including city buses, coaches, and electric buses. Bike. Bike. A bike is a two-wheeled vehicle that can be powered by pedaling or an engine. It is widely used for transportation, recreation, and competitive sports. Bicycles are an eco-friendly alternative to motor vehicles, reducing traffic congestion and pollution.
Aerial firefighting. Aerial firefighting.
Aerial firefighting involves the use of aircraft to combat large-scale wildfires. Planes and helicopters drop water or fire retardants to control the spread of flames.
Excavator hammer. Excavator hammer.
An excavator hammer is a hydraulic tool used for breaking rocks, concrete, and asphalt. It delivers high-impact force, making it essential for demolition and quarrying applications.